Hey guys, I'm Kyle, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to make name in Infinite Craft fastest method. So let's get started. So the first thing that we need is we're going to go for water plus earth to create plant, and then add wind so that you'd have dandelion. Once you have dandelion, you want to add a plant right here, and then add another plant to create tree, combine it with dandelion to create wish. Once you have wish, add tree into it to create money. And then now once you have money, the next thing is to just add earth, and then add wind into earth to create dust, and then add earth into dust to create planet, and then add another planet to create star, and then add it with money to create fame. Once you have fame, the next thing is you want to go for dust and dust to create sand, and once you have sand, you want to go for fire and wind to create smoke, and then add plant right here to create incense, combine it with sand to create snake. And then once you have snake, the next thing is basically just add tree right here, and then add water to create river, and then add another tree right here so that you'd have paper. Once you have paper, you want to add another paper to create book, and then you want to go for river right here, and then add earth into it to create delta, add it with book to create alphabet, and then add book again to create dictionary, and then add it to snake to create anagram. Once you have anagram, just combine it with fame, and now you have name. So that is basically how you do it.